Okay, Henok, good morning. Again, let me show you this one. This is my file manager one. Oops, not this one. File manager about. See, this is file manager 3.1.5. Okay, so I have one drive connected to this one, and this is my Media Navigator X, which is version 2019. Okay, let me just log in. Admin. Yes. Okay. Uh, 2019.3.0, same versions that you have in Eritrea. So, going inside the file manager, so if I will go to control.exe to check the program files, so you will see that I have this file manager 1 and Sony Optical Disc Archive software, which is the latest 155.0, which you can download from Sony Created website. And I think I had already copied that one in the desktop of the file manager. Just double check. So go to downloads. If not yet, then just go to download software for Sony equipment. Then afterwards, go to the optical disc archive. Optical disc archive. Go to this optical disc archive software and download the latest version for Windows, which is 550. Just download it like this, and that will be downloaded. Once it's downloaded, install it. Install it in the file manager. Uninstall the first old version of the Sony Optical Disc Archive software and update it into 550. Okay. Once it's updated, of course, you have to restart your server. Okay. Restart your server. Go here and, of course, restart. Okay. So now, once it is already installed, you will be able to see that the current versions will be 55.0. So if you will go to about, it will become version 55.0. Okay. I found it that the 55.0 is also compatible with the file manager. As you can see, it is working perfectly with the file manager. So from the settings, you can see from my library that my library is working. Okay. So going back into the Media Navigator X, of course, go back to your settings, devices. Make sure that this is correct. Your file manager is correct. So the current settings is HTTP, then the IP address of your file manager, and the current port. You need to put the username and password. Save. Then afterwards, you try again to do the archiving. As you can see, I have done one archiving in here, and it works okay. So let us try another one like this. I'm going to archive by default, submit, and let's check. So I'll just duplicate this tab, then go to the workflow monitor to monitor this one. So we'll see if this one will be archived properly. And also from here, you should be able to see archive task in here. You should be able to see one archive task, which involves the file that we are about to archive. The file that we are about to archive was, what is this? Clip 2022. So it should appear in here. Okay. Okay, Hinok, as you can see, the archive has been completed. And we can see from File Manager that there is another task in here, which is the create folder and archive. And if you will expand this, you see that it corresponds to the same file that we are trying to archive. So refreshing this one, Asset Manager, you should be able to see that this particular asset has already been archived. As you can see, there is already this archive icon in here, and it says yes, archive. And also you can see it from here that this is already archived. And if you will double click the essence, of course, you will be able to see from the essence that the current location is now located to the ODA library. Yeah. Okay. I hope that will solve the issue with your archiving system. Just let me know if you have any other issues aside from this one. Thank you, Hino.